Envision a remote Siberian forest where dawn's light filters through endless pines and the sky holds a secret about to erupt. It's June 30th, 1908, and a force unlike anything known is about to unleash a blast so colossal it flattens a wilderness, baffling scientists for decades. This is the Tunguska Event, 117 years ago, a real-life comic book spectacle that sounds like a cosmic weapon detonated over Earth. Deep in Russia's Krasnoyarsk region, near the Tunguska River, the Evenki people herd reindeer under a quiet sky. At 7:17 in the morning, a blinding fireball streaks from the southeast, brighter than the sun, trailing smoke. Seconds later, a deafening explosion shakes the taiga, hurling people to the ground 60 miles away. Farmer Semyon Semyonov in Vanavara, 40 miles south, later tells investigators he saw a pillar of fire and felt heat sear his skin per 1921 expedition logs. Windows shatter in villages 200 miles distant. Seismic tremors register in Irkutsk, 400 miles away, as noted in Russian geological records. The devastation is unearthly. 80 million trees, pine, larch, cedar, lie flattened over 800 square miles, their trunks fanned outward like a supervillain's blast radius. Reindeer herds vanish, incinerated or crushed. Evenki hunter Ilya Potapovich, interviewed in 1927, describes a sky split in two, his tent ripped away by wind. No crater forms, strange for such power. The blast, estimated at 10 to 15 megatons, 1,000 times Hiroshima's bomb, leaves only scorched earth and a butterfly-shaped scar, visible in 1938 aerial surveys. News travels slowly. Russia, reeling from 1905's revolution, delays investigation. In 1921, Leonid Kulik, a 42-year-old mineralogist, leads the first Soviet expedition expecting a meteorite. He finds none, only glass-like soil and magnetized fragments, per his 1927 report to the Russian Academy. Eyewitnesses like trader Ivan Kudryavtsev recall blue lightning and a heat that melted pots, suggesting a mid-air explosion 60 miles up. Kulik's team maps the radial tree fall, confirming a single epicenter, but the cause eludes them. Theories explode like the event itself. Early scientists assume a meteor, but no fragments fit. By 1946, Russian astrophysicist Vasily Fesenkov proposes a comet, ice and dust vaporizing mid-air, leaving no trace. Others, in 1973, suggest a mini black hole, zipping through Earth, though no exit wound exists per Nature Journal. UFO tales arise. Evenki lore whispers of a sky demon, echoed in 1960X posts from Russian forums. In 1989, Italian physicist Luigi Foscini posits antimatter annihilation, a comic book-worthy idea but unproven. Modern studies like NASA's 2008 analysis, Lean Comet, 50 meters wide, disintegrating at 5 miles altitude, its shockwave leveling the forest. The blast reach is comic book grand. In London, 1,800 miles away, barometers spike per Royal Observatory records. Across Europe, nights glow eerie. People read newspapers at midnight, as the Times reported July 2nd from atmospheric dust scattering sunlight. No deaths are recorded. Sparsely populated Siberia spared worse, but 150 reindeer perish, and dozens of Evenki suffer burns or shock, per 1929 interviews. The energy release calculated in 2001 by Sandia Labs matches a nuclear warhead, yet no radiation lingers. Investigations evolve. In 1961, Soviet teams find iridium spikes in soil common in comets, backing Fesenkov's theory, per Geochimica Journal. 2018's Planetary and Space Science study confirms a comet's airburst, ruling out asteroids. Yet X posts in 2025, citing Russian blogs, revive alien craft theories. Unproven but persistent. Lake Checo, 5 miles from the epicenter, probed in 2007, holds no meteorite, dashing crater hopes, per geophysical research letters. The mystery endures. No smoking gun, just a blasted forest in a century of wonder. 117 years past, 1908's Tunguska Event was a comic book page sprung to life. An alien-like fireball, 800 square miles raised, a blast shaking Earth. From Evenki tales to NASA's math, it's a saga of cosmic power and human curiosity, a riddle written in Siberia's fallen trees, unsolved but unforgettable.